saving for retirement is great, right? You want to be able to diversify your retirement portfolio, but remember that golden rule, you cannot benefit from your own IRA investments right now. But if you're looking for private lending for your deals, you can actually use other people's IRAs as private financing sources for your deals. This is what we like to call OPI, or other people's IRAs. Whenever we give this presentation in person, I always like to make the nail polish joke, but it doesn't go over as well virtually because I can't see you guys laughing. Hopefully, you ladies are out there. But there's kind of two different sides to using self-directed IRAs. There is your IRA to build wealth for your retirement, ways to minimize taxes on your investments that you hold in your IRA. But remember those investment options, one of them was promissory notes. A lot of our clients, actually about 50%, like to use their IRAs to be completely passive private lenders. So, as a real estate investor, if you're going out there and you're looking for private funding for your deals, educate yourself on how to initiate the conversation of how you could potentially use other people's IRAs as private financing sources for your deals. There's a lot of ways to do this. I mean, Quest, we have to stay very neutral. You can't exactly call us up and ask for a list of clients that are looking to use their IRAs to be private lenders. Unfortunately, we're just not able to do that. But if you build a network, if you know how to introduce the conversation, call an IRA specialist. We can walk you through the process so you're familiar with how it actually works, but know how to introduce the conversation. You, as the real estate investor, you go out, you build the rapport, you start the relationship, and then know when to bring us into the conversation. Quest is always neutral. We're never here to push someone's investment or anything like that. We are truly here to educate, be a good resource, and hopefully, if you like us, be the custodian over the IRA account once you're ready to do that deal. But kind of like Matt was saying in the presentation before this, show credibility through references, join your local RIA events. And always remember your reputation and your ethics is everything in this business. Now, a couple of things here, just a few tips whenever you are investing with a self-directed IRA is to understand the timeframes, already emphasized that a little bit. Know what needs to be submitted to the custodian to fund a deal. You can't just send us an email and say, hey, I need you to wire funds to so-and-so. I want to loan them funds. We actually need the investment documents. Give us a call, visit our website. We'll walk you through that. And, have integrity with your deals.